Hello everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about wallets for Ethereum. So coming to the overview of this presentation covers introduction to Ethereum wallets, software wallets, hardware wallets, paper wallets, multi-signature wallets, browser extension wallets, and how to choose the right wallet. So coming to the introduction to Ethereum wallets. So we know, like in the Ethereum framework, we are using a cryptocurrency called Ether. So to maintain these Ethers, we are going to use wallets. So those wallets are called as Ethereum wallets. So even for Bitcoins also, to maintain or to store Bitcoins, we are using wallets, right? So in the same way, Ethereum wallets are used to store the Ethers. So Ethereum wallets are software tools that allow users to securely store, send and receive the Ethereum and tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So in the Ethereum blockchain, we are using Ethers, ETH, and also we have some other cryptocurrency called tokens. So to store this, to send this, or to receive from other account, we are maintaining this wallets. So managing Ethereum and tokens securely is essential for safeguarding your assets and participating in decentralized finance applications and transactions. So here in the wallets, what we are doing, like our GPay or PhonePe wallet, it is also secure. That means we have some username and password, like we have some private key and public key here. So public key, in the sense, it's like a phone number. If I take a GPay, so phone number is a public key, and the pass key, or we have security screen lock or some security password, right? So that is like a private key. So even in this wallet, we are using public key and private key. So public key, in the sense, it's like a phone number or it's like a mail ID. I need to share that public key to others if I want to receive some funds. For example, I want to receive some funds from other person, then what I need to share in the GPay, I need to share my phone number. In the same way, here also in the wallet, if I want to receive some funds from the other account, then I need to share my public key with them. So by using that public key, they will share the amount, they will transfer the amount to my account. The same way, if I want to transfer some amount from my GPay to other GPay, then what I need to do, along with the phone number, I need to supply the passkey also, some screen lock, some passcode or some screen lock we have, right? So those things is mandatory to log in into my GPay, so that after that it will allow me to the transferring the amount. So in the same way, private key is used in the wallet. So in the wallet, if I want to transfer some amount from my wallet to other wallet, then I need to enter, along with the public key, I also need to enter the private key. So if I enter the private key, then only it will allow me to send the transaction. So we have different wallets here to maintain this public key and private key. So the first one is software wallet, which is also called as hot wallet. So software wallets are also known as hot wallets, or digital wallets that run on software applications. So we can use, it's just like an application, mobile application. So we can use it in the desktop or mobile device or any web browser. So coming to the examples of this software wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, so My Ether Wallet, Coinbase wallet, all these are examples of the software wallet. So these are all different applications. These things we can use in a normal mobile or a web browser also. By logging into that, we can transfer the funds or we can receive the funds. So coming to the hardware wallets. So hardware wallets is also called as cold wallet. So hardware wallets are physical devices that securely store your Ethereum private keys offline. So we have some devices. So using that device itself will store the private key and public key. Using that device, you can transfer the amount or you can receive the amount. So it provides, or it offers, a high level of security, as they are immune to hacking attacks and malware, as it is not a software device or it's not a software application. So if it is a software application, we have an issue with the hacking, right? So nowadays, every application is hacked by some hackers, but as it is a hardware wallet, it is immune to hacking attacks. So coming to the examples of this hardware wallets, so Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X, and Trezor. So these are all different hardware wallets. So we will get a device. So in that device, we are going to store our public key as well as private key. So using that device, you can transfer the funds and you can also receive the funds. Coming to the paper wallet. So paper wallet involve printing your Ethereum public and private keys on a physical piece of paper. So the private key and the public key will be printed in the physical paper in the form of QR code. So those things we need to save. I mean, we need to store somewhere. As it is a physical wallet or paper wallet, we can't store. I mean, we have some issues with this, with the physical damage or loss. We may lose it, or some physical damage may be there with the paper wallet. So these are the problem with the paper wallet. Coming to the, generally these are all used with the for the long-term storage of Ethereum and tokens. So multi-signature wallets. So coming to the multi-signature wallets, for any wallet, so we generally maintain one public key and one private key. But here for multi-signature wallets, it requires multiple private keys to authorize the transaction. So instead of using single key, single private key, we are using multiple private keys here. So they are commonly used by organizations or individuals who want to distribute control of funds among multiple parties. So generally by using this multiple private keys, we can also provide some sort of security, more security. So these generally used by the organization who wants to transfer the amount to multiple accounts simultaneously. Coming to the examples, multi-signature wallets are Gnosis Safe and BitGo. So these are the two examples of multi-signature wallets. Coming to the browser extension wallet. So these are all similar to the first one, that is software wallet, but the only difference is it will also give some extension. So it will run as an extension on the web browser. So it's just similar to software wallet only, but additional thing is it will also provide the extension for our browser. So coming to the examples, so MetaMask also supports this browser extension, Brave browser's built-in crypto wallet. So these are the two examples of browser extension wallets. So choosing the right wallet. So which wallet I need to choose? So based on your requirement and based on the specifications, we need to choose a right wallet. So when choosing a Ethereum wallet, consider the factors such as security, convenience and features. So we need to think all these things, security and convenience. I mean, if I want to go with the paper wallet, can I secure it? I mean, is it convenient to store that? So all these factors you need to think before choosing the right wallet. So research and understand the strengths and weakness of each type of wallet before deciding which one is right for you. So first we need to research, and first we need to note what are the advantages and disadvantages of each and every wallet and which wallet is suitable for your requirements. All these things you need to think before choosing the wallet. So that's about Ethereum wallet. So in this video, we discussed about what do you mean by Ethereum wallets. So what are the different types of wallets are there, like software wallet, hardware wallet, paper wallet, multi-signature wallet, browser extension wallet. And also we discussed about choosing the right wallet, how to choose a right wallet in this video. That's about Ethereum wallets. Thank you.